Sagittarians, and welcome to your reading for the month of September 2020. Let's start your reading, but before we begin, let me just quickly pull out a card from my Moonology Oracle deck. So the card says that luck is on your side. It says that whatever is coming on your way is going to put a smile on your face. The wheel of fortune is spinning, and it's time to figure out something in your life which is very important for you. But remember to count your blessings, and do remember to smile and laugh more. And this card says the time is right to start a course or to start teaching. So come join me as I take you on a journey of tarot cards and see what the month of September has in store for you. So the first week we have for you Eight of Pentacles. As you can see, our carpenter is working hard and making he is basically making the pentacles and fixing them on the wall. So this represents you that you have mastered your skills, and it also says that hard work is the key to success and ensuring that your skills are sharpened. Maybe you need to add few more skills to your kitty, and it says that your hard work is definitely going to be rewarded by the increased income. You need to find out your inner talent, and that is the area where which will make you grow. Then in the second week of September we have for you the Tower card. So the Tower is a symbol of stability and security. So you can see the top is off and the bottom is also shaken. So this is a chaotic situation, and most people would actually interpret the Tower as representing a catastrophe. But whatever disruption or adversity it is heralding in your life, it is for the best, and it represents overthrow of false ideas and old habit patterns that need to be gotten rid of. And it is not a negative card at all, it is indeed a positive card. Sometimes there is indeed some kind of loss of personal or financial, but if you look at the factors carefully, it will show that this event could have been foreseen if only you had been willing to face the facts. And also the Tower is related to Uranus, the planet of unexpected lightning fast events. So whatever is being destroyed here is served its purpose and it's need to go. So you need to, this card shows transformation in your life. Then in the third week we have for you Page of Swords. So this represents a person, a messenger or a message you can get regarding difficulties relating to some of your niece or nephew or a young person in your team. This person is immature, he is innocent, and he is trying to free himself from the societal bondages, and he is trying to aim for the stars, and we can say that this sky is the limit for him. But his internal thoughts are disturbed as he might be facing personal disappointment, and though he wishes to be independent and successful, but he is a beginner, he is naive, and he is not having experience. He would like to be part of a herd mentality rather than walking his own path. He is facing challenges and obstacles, and he is struggling also, but the challenges are not so huge that he cannot overcome. So the need of the hour is to follow your common sense. Then in the third week of September we have for you Ace of Wands. As you can see, this is a blessing from the universe. The universe is blessing you with the beginning of an enterprise. Maybe it's something you've just started, a new business related to finance or arts, and it shows that you have planted the seeds of a new birth and possibly a creative venture, and you are now free from restraints that have hampered you in the past, enabling you to express yourself successfully and taking on a new role or forging a new identity through your work. So this is going to be a brilliant time for you. The last week we have for you the High Priestess. You can see this woman is sitting on a throne, and on the crown there is a moon, and even at her foot is a crescent moon. So this shows that this woman is you, and you are tied to your emotions, and you are also connected to your inner awareness, your gut sense, your sixth sense, and you are very intuitive, and you can second guess many things in your life accurately. Your intuition, because the moon is connected to our emotions, our intuition, our psychic power, and our subconscious mind. And also you can see the throne has both white and black pillars. So this lady is maintaining her balance, and even in time of storms or chaos, she is maintaining the balance, and she is holding a book of Torah. And so this lady is aware of a lot of secrets in her life. So you are aware of a lot of things in your life, and your inner self is opening up to infinite abilities of your intuitive power. You are highly intuitive right now and have the infinite ability to create the kind of life that you want. Use your spiritual strength and psychic power to create. You will be exposed to the work and pleasure. You need to maintain the balance in order to create the life that you want. And during the course of this week, many secrets might be revealed to you, and some of you might feel inclined towards learning secrets of life. Some of you might dive into occult, and you can see you have the blessing of the divine. J is for Jesus and angels. So that's all, my friends. Here's wishing that the upcoming month fills your life with positivity and removes any kind of negativity that there is. Until the time we meet again, this is me saying namaste.